Hello and welcome to Infranor's Motion Made Easy series. In this episode we will go over the FP part number generator located in the Motion Toolkit application. This assumes that you have already selected the correct motor for your application and now need to obtain the part number. Start by opening the Infranor Motion Toolkit on your mobile device. Continue to the toolkit and open the FP part number generator window. A warning will appear just stating that the FP23 and FP34 have a smooth shaft or no keyway for the standard shaft option. Press OK to acknowledge this information. The generator is broken up into 8 parts. The first part is the frame size and consists of 8 different frame options ranging from 38 to 192 millimeters with different stack lengths for a total of 16 options. For my application, I size an FP207. The second part is the winding voltage, and in most cases is based off your supply voltage to the drive. There are 3 standard options and 1 custom option. Each section, besides the frame size, has a custom option and will need further inspection by an Infranor representative if selected. I will select the 230 volt AC winding. The third part is the shaft and has 5 standard options. I will select the without keyway shaft option. The flange has 2 standard options. I will go with the metric B5 flange. The brake section is either no brake or with a 24 volt DC brake. I will select the standard 24 volt brake option. The feedback area has 10 standard options ranging from resolver to incremental encoders and absolute encoders. I will select the Hyperface Multi-Turn Absolute Encoder. The connection area has 5 standard options. I will select the rotatable right angle connectors. The last option is for reduced shaft and flange machining tolerance. This option is generally selected for applications using a gearbox and running at higher speeds. Please consult the factory if you are unsure about this option. Infranor does not supply gearboxes. Once the appropriate options are selected, an error check can be ran. This will check and see if the options selected are compatible with the selected frame size. If the options aren't compatible, you will get an error message. If everything checks out, the correct part number will be displayed at the top. The pricing option is only available for our channel partners. If you are a channel partner, please enter your factory assigned code here. By using the contact button at the bottom, please feel free to contact us for quoting, custom field selections, or for more information. You can also find more information about our advanced slotless FP design on our USA and corporate websites. That concludes this episode. Thank you for watching.